Hello everyone, Jason Markowitz here from Jan Supply. Today I wanted to talk to you all about Sniper. Sniper is absolutely one of the pillars of our supply store. It's known as a chlorine-based hospital-grade disinfectant that is EPA approved. What's great about this one is it kills 99% of germs and kills bacteria in up to 60 seconds, which is great. It's also known to be a non-abrasive and corrosive chemical that's ready to use. You can see that we offer a few different sizing options. We've got the 4-ounce here. This is great to keep in your gym bag or your purse. I know that some of my family and friends have been buying a few to take to restaurants now that they're opened up to kind of wipe down the table before they get comfortable. For a little bit more use, maybe at home in the kitchen to wipe down your countertops, or maybe at one of your accounts if you're in the janitorial industry. This is great for, just wiping off hard surfaces. Again, really great disinfectant that is not harsh at all. You don't have to worry about generally what you're spraying, how much you're spraying, things like that. And then we have the gallon sizes, which we use in our electrostatic sprayers, like the ones we have behind me here. Another nice feature with Sniper is there's no harsh fumes or chemical residue. If you spray it, you could let it air dry and you wouldn't have to worry about wiping it in. And that makes it a very versatile chemical. And lastly, a very nice added bonus is it eliminates VOCs such as ammonia, sulfur, and formaldehyde. So in certain facilities that use those types of chemical or maybe have those types of emissions, this can be used to help bring down those VOCs and keep the facility safe. For all your disinfecting needs, check out our line of Sniper products on our website, www.jan-supply.com. We'll also have the EPA registration as well as the SCS sheets linked so that you guys can kind of take a deeper dive into maybe the chemical composition or some of the other uses of the product. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's any questions, please leave them down below and we'll get back to you right away. Thank you.